Dear friends, today we are going to discuss types of files. Basically, there are two types of files. One is a text file and second one is binary file. Let us see one by one. Text file. Now text files, these are the files in which we can store text directly. And the data is stored in the form of characters. Let us try to understand with the help of example. Let us say the data is like this: A, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now this is one data that we have to store in a file. Now what will happen? If you are using a text file, everything will be considered as a single character. So A, one character, 1, second, another character, 2, another character, 3, another character, 4, another character, 5, another character. So total 6 characters. Everything will be stored in the form of characters. And one character requires 1 byte to store. In this way, if you are using this data in a text file, it will require total 6 bytes. The size of file will be 6 bytes. Now let us take second example, binary files. Same data, A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we are going to store in the binary file, what will happen? A will be taken as a character and stored as character. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this entire number will be taken as one integer and it will be stored in the file. So one character is stored and one integer is stored. To store a character, it requires 1 byte, and to store integer, it requires 2 bytes. Total number of bytes required for this file is 3 bytes. This is difference between text file and binary file. In text file, everything is stored and retrieved in the form of characters. But in binary files, everything is stored and retrieved in the form of digital, in the form of data types. Binary file stores data as it is represented in memory, as it is. But in text file, we are storing data in the form of text. Now, these are the two types. Let us try to understand difference between them so that we can decide when to use which type of file. Let us see the differences. Text file, it stores data in the form of characters. Binary file, it stores data in the form of binary values. In case of text file, the file extensions will be generally .txt or some other formats like .c, .bak, backup files. These are stored in the form of text. In case of binary files, file extensions will be .mpg, .dat, .jpg, all these are binary files. Third difference, you cannot read binary files directly. If you are using txt file, you can open it outside the program and you can read easily. But binary files, you cannot read easily. You need a program to read and write binary files. So text files can be used apart from C programming. Binary files are generally used through programs. End of file, EOF, it is a special character used to define that the file is finished. File, at the end of file, a special character is written in text file, that is EOF. In case of binary files, no such special character is used to define end of file. Next difference, comparatively, text files takes more space, as we have seen in example, 6 bytes. But in case of binary files, comparatively less space is taken. As in text file, we have to convert data from binary to text and text to binary again. It takes somewhat more time for execution. So we can say text files are comparatively slower and binary files are comparatively faster. So these are differences between text files and binary files. and accordingly we have to select which file we are going to work. Once you understand what are the types of files, now it's a time to decide how to create text file and how to create binary file, how to read these files, how to write these files, how to append, update these files, and how to close these files. Now, this is the next point to discuss.